This is a 4-lever master padlock. You don't see these very much over here in the US. They're usually in the UK. I got this, I believe, on eBay, and it didn't come with a key. So we're going to pick it tonight with some more salmon homemade tools. So let's get to the vise and begin picking. Got the lock in the vise. It's definitely locked. It's a turning tool. See, Rory made this groove down there. And that's so the pick can slide perfectly horizontal, left and right, without slipping off. And of course, he made this pick with interchangeable tips, different gauges of steel. Put that in there. Having a hard time seeing. There we go. I'm in my own shadow. Let's zoom in a bit. Start the back levers, applying heavy tension on the tension tool. There we go. Got the open there. Take the tools out. And there you have it. The MasterLock 4-lever. Thanks for watching.